Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this AI platform, which is Castmagic. So to get started with the breakdown and the analysis about this platform, Castmagic is an AI-powered tool that transforms audio or video contents like podcast or interviews into ready-to-use assets such as transcript, show notes, social media posts, and keynote. It's simple to use. Just upload your file or connect your podcast field and the platform automatically generate content in a minute. It saves it saves content hours by producing multiple pieces of repurposed content from a single recording, make it ideal for podcasters, coaches, and content marketers. However, Castmagic's best features comes with a price. The free plan is very limited and the paid plan can get expensive, especially for high volume users. Some users also report minor issues like AI generated errors in transcript or limited formatting option. Despite that, Castmagic is worth it if you are regular, create long form audio or video and want to save time repurposing it for different platforms. It's smart tools for streamlining content workflow. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about these AI tools. If you find the video helpful, if you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.